You okay?
I'm fine. Oh, shit, it's gonna be sad.
断る理由などなかろう。可愛い娘の頼みとあらば。
So happy.
Let me guess, the pieces have poison on them.
ハンデはどうする？どの粉を落とそうか。
必要ありません。
もらっておけばいいものを。
それより賭けの褒美を決めませんか。
それは話が早い。私が勝てばうちの子になってくれるね。
Did she?
何も口を出さない約束でしょ。しかし
構いません。ですが雇用中の身ですので、年季が明けた後になりますが。
雇用中？本当に雇われているのかい？へえ。
Oh no, it's gonna rattle him even more.
緑青館の妓女を一人身請けしてもらえます。
Oh.
Oh, he hasn't actually done that.
何を言い出すのかと思えば。
Oh, I thought he did.
やり手ババアが年頃の妓女を片付けたがっていますので。
No, I don't think it's
Oh,
who you
okay.
think.
Okay.
それでいいというのなら飲むしかないのだがね。
Who can hold their liquor better?
ものすごく嫌な。
Oh no.
それはなんだい？
少しなら薬です。2口も飲めば猛毒になりますけど。小瓶の液体を3つの杯に入れて、
Oh.
どれに入れたかわからないようにします。勝負1回ごとに勝った方が1つ選び、
Oh,
負けた方がそれを
it
1つ。
seems fun.
これが1つ目のルールです。
えぐいことを考える。
そして
Gingy's commentary is funny.
Yeah.
理由があろうとも、試合を放棄したら負けということでお願いします。よろしいですか？
Maybe the poison is actually like a laxative or something. Seems very good at this game. Oh dear.
また負けた。これで2連敗だ。
You trying to lose or something?
負けなしの美味しそうに飲むせいで毒入りかどうかはためにはわからない。
This is chess,
3
right?
戦目も私からでよろしいですか？
ああ、いいよ。一体何を考えているんだ。3戦目の結果も見えている。もし
I think this rule that no one's allowed to leave the board game is important.
そのためにわざと負けるとは、やはり抜け目のない男だ。出るわこれよ。嫌な味だ。
Yep.
So that was poison.
これで薬屋が3杯目に毒を飲む心配はなくなった。それは同時に羅漢がこれ以上負ける必要がないということ。薬屋に勝ち目はない。私が勝てばうちの子になってくれるね。
You almost feel like Gingy's playing.
Yeah.
これは
You lie?
一杯では問題ない薬なのだろう。いくら憎らしいからといって本当に毒を盛るなんて。
薬ですよ。酒は百薬の長と言いますから。
酒？どういうことだ。じい様は酔っているだけのようです。
The lightweight?
は？
You're one to talk, Carly.
稽古なんですよ、この人。
そういえばいつもジュースばかりで酒を飲むのは見たことが。
Oh,
ではさっき入れた液体は？
アルコールです。さてと。先 さっさとこの男を運び出して義郎の花を選ばせましょう。
His backstory.
Yeah.
人間の区別がつかなかった。
Okay, so he's always had this condition.
自分が弱くとも部下を無駄なく使えばお釣りが来る。
Wow. Guys, yep.
人がこの
Genius too.
は何より面白いゲームに違いなかった。確かに強い。けれど、所詮は胃の中の蛙。負けた。
But he's,
それもあっ
but he's not even playing chess.
こんなに負けたのはいつ以来だ？
This
The
is
game
Go.
that-
You
yeah.
said Go and chess.
ああ。
Oh
人
wow.
とはこういう顔をしているのか。次第に根もつり上がり、三月に一度会うのがやっとに。
Wow. Okay.
次はいつ来られますか？
また3ヶ月後に。
Oh, she wants to see him sooner than
Mhm.
that.
わかりました。メイメイ、試合に集中したいから。
May was so small back then.
Yeah.
Is that a look of judgment? Come on, May
Why didn't he choose chess? He's better at chess. He grew up on chess. And she beat him at Go. You know, when they met up that first time?
Hmm. Maybe it's similar to Mao Mao in that he knew he couldn't win. But he will in another way.
気づけば手が重なっていた。本線からは甘い言葉も何もなかった。自分もそんな柄ではなく、ある意味似た者同士の二
Full
人。
passion.
王宮の遺憾になったと思ったら追放だと。一族の連れ押しだ。
優秀なのに相変わらず容量が悪い。
Is that Mao Mao's dad?
I was gonna say, it sounds like him. He had the walking stick.
He said doctor.
誘惑？
念のためだ。
He had a limp.
What the heck? So Mao Mao's foster dad was actually her great uncle.
3年もかかるとは
Seems like it.
思いもしなかった。土くれ？
Got a
いや
finger?
声高？しかも2つ？違う！これは指切り。そんな呪いが流行っているのは知っていた。身請け話が破談になった原因。あの袋に入っていたもう一つの小さな指が。
Oh, is that why she
Mao
looks...
Mao always looked at her pinky.
Oh, shit.
こんな簡単な答えですわ。たどり着けなかった。
We saw that scene where she had that knife and she looked like she was about to stab her. Oh, that's the old woman.
Yeah.
どんなに嘆いたところで時は戻らない。何もかも短絡的だった自分が招いたことだ。
But it was unintentional.
Oh.
枯れた装備？
たとえ枯れたとしても形を保つことができるんですね。
Is that a metaphor for Feng Shan or whatever her name was? I really loved that episode. I thought they gave a lot of much needed context on Larkin for sure. Really in depth too. It actually turns out that okay, sure, he did make an error, he did make a mistake, but he didn't try to leave Mao Mao's mum and Mao Mao. He did run back and he tried.
Yeah, she wrote him so many times. What's the reason he didn't get them? He was gone for work. He didn't realize it would take him that long. He assumed 6 months, but it really took him 3 years.
Yeah. So mistakes were made. I do have a feeling he's trying to make up for lost time. He doesn't know, though, that his beloved is alive.
Are you sure?
I think that's going to be like the nice reveal in the last episode.
Yeah, but she's not in her right mind and everything.
No, but I feel like that's kind of also why Mau Mau gave him the withered rose.
When she was a child, and now again.
Yeah, but then also the old lady was saying she's gone, she's gone, she's gone, and smacking him and he was crying. So he probably thought... Actually, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay.